Hello, I am Deepak and I'm going to sing a beautiful duet by Mukesh and Lata Mangeshkar from 1970 movie Mere Humsafar. This movie had a music by Kalyanji Anandji, lyrics by Anand Bakshi. In this movie, Raju, that is Jitendra, is a poor guy, lives in a village in Himachal Pradesh, and his father dies and leaves behind a debt. And so he wants to buy two bullocks so that he can till his land and make some money, but he doesn't have any money. So he wants to go to Bombay by hitchhiking in a truck so he can earn money in Bombay and then come back to the village to work on his field. So he hitchhikes in a truck, and to his surprise, he finds a woman who is also running away from her home. Her name is Tarna, that is played by Sharmila Tagore. So they travel together from Himachal Pradesh all the way down, and they fall in love on the way. And they sing this beautiful duet, Kisi Raah Mein, Kisi Mod Par, that is their, the song of the movie Mere Humsafar, Mere Humsafar. So what has happened is then they decide that okay, when we go to Bombay, we'll help each other, whatever happens, but we'll be for each other. Now, as they grow near, uh, as they come to Bombay for some reason, due to their fate, they get separated. And Raju meets a friend named Ramesh and his sister, which is Kusum. And what happens is that this friend gets seriously hurt and his legs are amputated. And so his sister is very sad, and Raju tries to help her. In the meantime, Tarna is very lucky because she is spotted by a film producer director, Ashok, that is Balraj Sahani. So, because she is very pretty, he gives her a role in a movie. And the movie is successful, and he changes her name to Minakshi, and she becomes a very famous and a rich actress. So, what happens then is that Raju sees her poster of the movie. So he wants to go and meet her. And he goes to the film set, and Balraj Sahani, that is Ashok, tells him that, hey, look, don't bother, we are married. So Raju gets disappointed and leaves. But Tarna also comes to know that Raju is in town and she wants to meet him, and Ashok does not let her meet either. Then Tarna is little upset with Raju because he sees her with this girl, Kusum, and they are not actually in love. And then what happens is that Kusum is abducted and killed, and they suspect that Raju may have done it, but he somehow escapes that. And then, in the end, uh, Balraj Sahani, that is Ashok, realizes that Raju and Tarna are in deep love. So they unite, and Tarna decides to give up her rich lifestyle. She donates all money and she leaves with Raju to go back to Himachal Pradesh to their village. And Ashok, Balraj Sahani, sent them back off in the same truck that they came with two bullocks. He donates two bullocks to them so that Raju can go back to his village and till his land and pay off his debt. So that's the movie. Movie was had a good box office success, although not like a super hit. Uh, and of course, uh, Jitendra likes to dance, and Sharmila Tagore also had a good role. Balraj Sahani had a good role. So let's listen to this good song, Kisi Raah Mein Kisi Mod Par, by Mukesh and Lata Mangeshkar. किसी राह में किसी मोड़ पर, किसी राह में किसी मोड़ पर, कहीं चल न देना तू छोड़ कर, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र। किसी हाल में किसी बात पर, कहीं चल न देना तू छोड़ कर, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र। मेरा दिल कहे कहीं ये न हो, मेरा दिल कहे कहीं ये न हो, नहीं ये न हो, नहीं ये न हो। किसी रोज तुझसे बिछड़ के मैं तुझे ढूंढती फिरूं दिल बदर, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र। तेरा रंग साया बहार का, तेरा रंग साया बहार का, तेरा रूप आईना प्यार का। तुझे आ नजर में छुपा लूं मैं, तुझे लग न जाए कहीं नजर, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र। तेरा साथ है तो है जिंदगी, तेरा साथ है तो है जिंदगी, तेरा प्यार है तो है रोशनी, तेरा प्यार है तो है रोशनी, कहाँ दिन ये ढल जाए क्या, कहाँ रात हो जाए क्या खबर, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र। किसी राह में किसी मोड़ पर कहीं चल न देना तू छोड़ कर, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र, मेरे हम सफ़र। Thank you very much.